Look at yourself. You think you are ambitious. You think you are a high performer because you wake up early, you go to the gym, and you watch videos about success. But your biology tells a completely different story. You are exhausted by the middle of the day. You struggle to maintain deep focus for more than 45 minutes without reaching for your phone. You rely on caffeine to forcefully start your brain every single morning. You think this is normal. You think you just need a better mindset or a new productivity app. You are wrong. The brutal truth is that you are biologically weak, and you are weak because you have surrendered your biology to a toxic, default environment. Most men walk around completely blind to the fact that they are living inside a highly engineered biological prison. They accept the modern world exactly as it is handed to them. They sleep in rooms flooded with invisible radiation. They drink water filled with neurotoxins. They stare into artificial light sources that systematically destroy their hormonal baseline. They do exactly what the 99% do, and then they wonder why they get the exact same average, mediocre results. Being average is no longer a psychological choice. It is a biological outcome. In the next few minutes, we are going to dissect the clinical neuroscience of why the modern environment is castrating your potential. We will expose the hidden biological traps that keep the masses tired, docile, and easily distracted. You will learn exactly how your Wi-Fi router is hijacking your cellular energy, how your tap water is calcifying your brain, and how artificial light is destroying your dopamine. Most importantly, we will reveal the exact environmental biohacking protocols used by the elite to reclaim their neurochemistry. If you are easily offended, click away now. But if you are ready to stop operating like an average man, pay attention. Let us start with the invisible cage, electromagnetic frequencies. We are electrical beings. Every single function in your body, from the beating of your heart to the firing of your neurons, is controlled by subtle electrochemical signals. For the vast majority of human evolution, the only electrical field we interacted with was the natural pulsing magnetic field of the Earth. Look at how you live today. You are submerged in an ocean of chaotic, non-native microwave radiation. Your smartphone is in your pocket, radiating directly into your body. Your Wi-Fi router is blasting high-frequency waves through your bedroom walls while you sleep. Average men think this is completely harmless because they cannot see it. That is the definition of biological ignorance. Your cells are screaming, and you are ignoring them. Clinical research on voltage-gated calcium channels proves exactly how destructive this is. The cells in your nervous system have tiny gates that control the flow of calcium. These gates are highly sensitive to electrical fields. When they are bombarded by the artificial EMFs from your modern environment, these gates are forced open. Massive amounts of calcium flood into your cells. This unnatural flood triggers a violent chain reaction of oxidative stress and free radical damage. Your cells literally believe they are under physical attack. To survive, your mitochondria, the powerhouses of your cells, shut down normal energy production and shift into a defensive survival mode. This is why you feel a constant low-grade hum of anxiety. This is why you cannot reach deep, restorative sleep. Your router is keeping your nervous system in a chronic state of fight or flight. You are draining your biological battery just sitting on your couch. Average men accept this. They sleep with their phones under their pillows. Elite performers engineer their space. They hardwire their internet connections. They turn off their routers at night. They use Faraday canopies to block radio frequency radiation while they sleep. They protect their cells. They refuse to let convenience destroy their cognition. Now, let us talk about the water you are drinking. The average man goes to his kitchen, turns on the tap, and drinks. He thinks he is hydrating his brain. In reality, he is microdosing chemical suppressants. Standard tap water is a biological disaster. It is saturated with chlorine, heavy metals, microplastics, and fluoride. Chlorine acts as a massive disruptor to your gut microbiome. Since your gut produces 90% of your serotonin, destroying your gut bacteria directly destroys your mood and focus. But the real danger is fluoride. Fluoride is the ultimate biological castrator. Fluoride has a highly specific affinity for the pineal gland, a tiny structure in the center of your brain responsible for synthesizing melatonin. Melatonin is your master sleep hormone and one of the most powerful antioxidants in the human body. When you consume fluoride every single day, it accumulates in the pineal gland and physically calcifies it. It turns soft, vital tissue into a hardened rock. When your pineal gland is calcified, your sleep architecture collapses. You cannot enter deep sleep. You cannot flush out the metabolic waste that builds up in your brain during the day. You wake up with brutal brain fog and your cognitive processing speed drops to a fraction of what it should be. You cannot outwork a calcified brain. The top tier of high performers do not touch tap water. They do not rely on cheap carbon filters. They use clinical-grade reverse osmosis systems to strip the water completely bare of all toxins. Then, they remineralize it with magnesium and sea salt to restore its electrical conductivity. They hydrate their brain on a cellular level. Average men drink poison because it is convenient. Elite men drink structured water because they demand absolute absolute performance. Next, we must expose the greatest neurochemical trap of the modern age, the castration of your circadian rhythm. Your brain evolved to be controlled by the sun. Bright blue light in the morning signals your brain to spike cortisol and wake you up. The absence of blue light at night signals your brain to produce melatonin and recover. It is a flawless biological system. Then, you brought glowing screens into your bedroom. You are trading your dopamine for digital trash. Every night, the average man sits in a room lit by harsh artificial LED lights. He stares at a massive television. He lies in bed and scrolls through short-form content on his phone. All of these devices emit highly concentrated artificial blue light. When this artificial light hits the melanopsin receptors in your eyes at 11 p.m., it sends a direct signal to your suprachiasmatic nucleus. Your brain believes it is high noon. It instantly halts all melatonin production. It spikes your adrenaline. You are forcing your neurochemistry into a state of extreme daytime arousal when it desperately needs to shut down and repair. You are actively fragmenting your sleep. You are destroying your dopamine baseline for the next day. You wake up feeling weak, unmotivated, and depressed because you literally robbed your brain of its recovery cycle. Elite biohackers treat light as a drug because biologically it is. They implement strict circadian lighting protocols. They use amber or pure red light bulbs in their homes after sunset. Red light contains 0 blue wavelengths. It does not disrupt the biological clock. They wear high-quality blue light blocking glasses the moment the sun goes down. They shield their eyes from the toxic artificial frequencies that keep the masses weak and addicted. But engineering your light and water means nothing if you are disconnected from the ultimate source of human energy. Let us talk about grounding. You are completely severed from the earth. You live in high-rise apartments, you walk on synthetic carpets, you wear shoes with thick rubber soles. For the first time in human evolution, you are spending your entire life completely insulated from the surface of the planet. You are an ungrounded wire accumulating massive stress. The earth acts as a massive, infinite battery, pulsing with a subtle negative electrical charge. When human skin touches the ground, we absorb free electrons. These electrons act as the most potent, natural antioxidants in existence. They neutralize free radicals. They thin the blood. They instantly shift the nervous system from a state of chaotic stress into a state of deep, parasympathetic calm. Because the average man is insulated, his body builds up an unnatural positive electrical charge. That suggests chronic inflammation. His immune system is constantly hyperactive. His cortisol is chronically elevated. He is burning massive amounts of ATP just trying to survive in an unnatural state. This is why you constantly feel tight, anxious, and inflamed. True biological sovereignty requires reconnection. High performers use conductive grounding mats under their desks while they work and grounding sheets on their beds while they sleep. These tools plug directly into the earth ground of a standard outlet, bypassing the building's electrical current. When you sleep grounded, your body rapidly discharges the electrical stress of the modern world. Inflammation plummets, cortisol normalizes. You wake up with a level of clarity and raw power that no amount of coffee can ever simulate. Take a brutal look at your life. You complain about brain fog. You complain about lack of energy. You complain that you cannot compete with the top 1%. But look at how you live. Look at the room you are sitting in right now. You are letting the default settings of the modern world dictate your neurochemistry. You are breathing stagnant, toxic air filled with VOCs from cheap furniture. You are bathing your brain in artificial frequencies. You are drinking calcifying water. The modern world is designed to make you weak. Tired population is a highly profitable population. Weak men consume more entertainment. Weak men buy more cheap stimulants. Weak men do not question the systems that govern them. As long as you accept the toxic default environment, you will remain perfectly average. You will remain prey. You must become the architect of your reality. You must seal the biological leaks, block the EMF radiation, filter and remineralize your water, shield your eyes from toxic blue light, reconnect your nervous system to the earth. When you eliminate the invisible friction that is draining your cells, the transformation is absolute. You will not need fake motivation. You will not need discipline hacks. Focus and drive will become your biological default state. You will have an overwhelming surplus of cellular energy. You have a choice. You can close this video, go back to scrolling your phone in a dark, ungrounded room, and accept that you will always be biologically inferior. Or you can take control. You can engineer your environment. You can reclaim your sovereignty. Look around your room right now. What is the biggest biological trap you are currently sitting in? Expose it in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel to join the minority who refuse to be weakened by the modern world. Stop being average, master your environment, and you will dominate your reality. See you in the next protocol.